Margareta Witty.
To pray before you, eternal God, one and three, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, and in the presence of the most holy Immaculate Virgin Mary, Queen of the angels, by the weight of glory, before the Church, and in the presence of the community, by my full and free will, into your hands, most Reverend Mother Josephina Romano. I make my vows of chastity, poverty, and obedience for 1 year, according to the constitutions of the Sisters of the Angels. You, my God, who has called me to serve you in this institute, give me the grace